Good morning, student of class 4. I am a computer teacher Sunjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start revision of an important topic, the internet. Okay, and in this video I am going to revise uses of internet, ISP internet service provider, www World Wide Web, web browser, web page, hyperlink, website and URL. Okay, so in this video I am going to revise all these contents. Okay, so now let's start. And this is the syllabus of the first term examination, and all of you know that our first term exam is mainly based on MCQ. Okay, so all of you have to read each and every chapter very carefully. Okay, so what is internet? Okay, the smaller network can in turn to be connected to one another from the bigger network. Okay, the internet is an example of computer network that is spread across the globe. Okay, so mainly the internet is an example of computer network. Okay, computer network that is spread across the globe. Okay, that is spread across the globe. The internet is also referred to as the World Wide Wide network of a computer, and it is growing at a rapid rate. That means each and every computer that is connected to each other, that is called the internet. Okay, that means a computer network that is spread across the globe is an example of internet. Okay, and the use next is the uses of a internet. Okay, so the uses of the internet has grown tremendously over the past few years due to the expansion of various services. It has become the important part of everyday life. Okay, we all uses the internet. Okay, we all uses the internet nowadays. All the classes are going through the uh, internet. All the online classes are taken through the internet. Okay, so like similarly we can get information on any topic by using the internet. Okay, so when we need to get any information on any topic, we use the internet. Okay, next is we can communicate with people through the emails, chats and conferencing. Okay, video conferencing or call conferencing. Okay, next is we can buy products from the online website. Nowadays we can easily buy different types of goods, products, okay, etc. by using the online websites. Okay, next is we can listen music, watch movies and play games on the internet, and we can book tickets and pay bills through the internet. Okay, so these are the main uses of internet nowadays. Okay, next is internet service provider. Okay, what is internet service provider? In order to connect our computer to the internet, we need a connection from ISP. ISP means internet service provider, who provides the internet. Okay, ISP is a company. ISP is a company that provides internet to access the user. Okay, and some popular ISPs are BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, MTNL, Mohanagar Telephone Nigam Limited, Airtel, Hathway, Vodafone, Jio, etc. Okay, these are the all are the example of ISPs. Okay, and the ISP provides hardware device such as modem and router to connect the computer to the internet. Modem stands for modular demodular. Okay, modem stands for modular demodular. It is used so that the data can be sent and received between the computer and the telephone line. Okay, the main uses of a modem is that the data can be sent and received between a computer and a telephone line. Okay, nowadays router are more popular than the modem. The router provides mechanism to connect a computer or a network to the internet. Next is www. www means World Wide Web. Okay, is a collection of interconnected pages that contain pictures, audios and videos. Okay, that means interconnected pages. Okay, which is connected to each and other. Okay, pages that contain text, pictures, audio and videos. The various pages are connected using these links and can be accessed through the internet. World Wide Web is popularly known as the web or W3. 3. Okay, next is web browser. Basically, web browser is a software. Okay, web browser is a software that allows us to access the pages on the world wide web. Okay, we use this software to access the internet web page. Okay, internet web page. Okay, some example of web browser are Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Opera, and Safari. Okay, so these are the all example of internet web browser. Okay, most of the web browser that we use nowadays support tabbed browsing. Okay, tabbed browsing, it is features that allow to open multiple web pages in the same browser window in the different tabs rather than the different window. That means we can easily search two website or three website or four website in a single window. Okay, which is called tabbed feature. Okay, which is called tabbed feature. Here you can see this is the google.com, this is a one another tab. Okay, this is the other tab, and this is a Wikipedia tab. Okay, so there are four tabs open in a single browser window. Okay, single browser window, this is called a tab feature. Next is web page. So web page that makes a worldwide page are known as the web page. Okay, the pages that make world wide web. Okay, the pages that make up world wide web are known as web pages. A web pages is created by using HTML. HTML means hypertext markup language. Okay, hypertext markup language is the full form of HTML. Okay, it can be seen or accessed using the web browser. The page may contain text, images, audios, videos, and links. Okay, so there are lots of components in the web pages like text, images, audio, videos, and links. Okay, so basically web page is a single page of an website which contains text, images, audios, videos, and links. Okay, and such as navigating the web, surfing the web are the used when we visit one web pages following by the others. Okay, next is hyperlink. So a web page may contains links of other web pages or another place in the same page. The links are known as hyperlinks. That means when we open a web page and this page is contains the link to go to the other pages is called a hyperlink. Okay, so a hyperlink may be a text or a picture. When the mouse is hovered over a hyperlink, it changes the hand shape pointer. Okay, when we click on the when we go to the hyperlink, over the hyperlink, the mouse pointer change into the hand shape pointer. Okay, when we click on the hyperlink, the part such as video or pages that is interrelated opens with the browser window. Okay, next is website. So a website is a collection of related web pages. Okay, website is a collection of a related web pages linked to one another. Okay, I have already told that a web page is a single page of a website, and a website is a collection of related web pages. Okay, linked to one another. The first page of a website is called the home page. Okay, the first page of a website is called the home page, and the home page gives display the first when the website is open using the browser. The home page contains hyperlinks to the other of the website. Here you can see these are the hyperlinks. When you click on these links, you go to the other pages, other web pages. Okay, next is URL. URL is very important. Okay, URL means uniform resource locator. Okay, uniform resource locator. Every house of a city has an unique address so that can be identified easily. Okay, so we all have our house address. Okay, unique house address. Okay, similarly every web page or website has a unique web address. The address of a website or a web page is known as URL. Okay, like this: www.pearson.com, www.kidsknowsit.com. Okay, www.cartoonnetwork.com. Okay, www.funbrain.com. These are the URL. Okay, these are the URL, and all these are the unique web address. Okay, unique web address. and the full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Okay, so these are the main terms of internet. Okay, using internet. I hope that all of you have understand, and please read all this topic very carefully. Okay, and our first term exam is starting from 10th of August, and the computer exam is held on 20th of August. Okay, so all the best for your exam. Okay, and today I am ending my discussion here. In my next video I will start a new chapter. Okay, so till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.